Today we can see how to add water for the machine. When you add water, you need to open the overflow. And we'll add water. When the water falling out from the overflow, that means the machine is full of water. Remember if the water falling out from the overflow, that is finished, add water. And if you want to change water, you can open this water outlet and pull out the water. Today we see this chlorolysis machine. This machine has 5 claw handle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is for double chain. And this big one is for big part fat removal, like belly and leg. And these 2 are for the small part fat freezing, like the arms. And there are the laser pads, RF facial handle, RF body handle, and 40K cavitation. Now let's see the interface of the machine. When the machine is open, you see the light is flashing. You cannot touch the screen. Remember, do not touch the screen when these handles are flashing. The system is monitoring all these handles. And when the flashing is stable, then you can touch the screen. And we have three parts to adjust these claw handles. Firstly, we can see this 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 handles. We adjust the time from 1 to 60. You can adjust the time according to customer's treatment area. Usually for belly, about 30 minutes. And the temperature is from -10 to 10. And usually we start from 0, and you can adjust according to customer's tolerance. About vacuum, it is from 0 to 9. About the vacuum, it is from 1 to 9, and usually we start from 4.5. And you can adjust according to customer's tolerance. About the release, it's from 0 to 4, and usually we start from 2. And you can adjust according to your customer's tolerance. And we adjust 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 handles. We adjust that. And that's one part to adjust the 4 chlorolysis machine handle. And we can also adjust in this way. This 1, 2, 3, 4, claw 4, claw 3, claw 1, claw 2. In this way, you can adjust. And we also energy on the handle screen. You can see this is handle 4. And the time we can adjust. And the temperature. Release. Vacuum. And when we adjust the time, temperature, release, vacuum, we press this. The handle, and you can also press this button, stop, working, stop, working. These 4 handles are the same. On the screen, they have its independent screen. And then we see the 40K cavitation. Remember about the 40K cavitation of body, of facial. These 3 handles you cannot adjust the energy and do not put on the skin. It can only when you put gears on the body and it tightens the body to do the treatment. Firstly, we adjust the time. For the body, about 50 to 20. And you can adjust according to your customer's treatment and the intensity from 1 to 10. And when we adjust time, intensity, and there has 3 models, you can adjust customer like. And then put oil. Remember, do not press the working. Press oil, press gel on the customer's treatment area, and then press working. Then put the handle on the customers, then can do the treatment. The treatment time also from 1 to 99, and we can start from 20 to 30. Intensity from 1 to 10. We start from 4, and there are also 3 models for you to choose. Then press working. Now let's see the RF facial. The time also from 1 to 99. And for facial, usually we do it 50 to 20. That is laugh. And the intensity from 1 to 9. We start from 4. And 3 model you can choose. And when you put gel, press this. Working is the laser pass. The laser pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 laser pass. We adjust one. The time usually for belly about 25 to 30, and the intensity 1 to 10. We start from 5 or 6, and there are 3 models you can choose. And the first one, the second one, the same intensity. Third one, the first one. We adjust this 8-1. When they all ready, we put the gel on the body, and then we press this ready, then can work it. Firstly, we adjust the time for the belly about 20 minutes, and you can adjust according to customer tolerance. Temperature, we start from 0 and then adjust. The release, we choose 2.5, 2.0, and vacuum 4.5. And when we adjust all of this, we put the anti-freeze membranes on the treatment area. And when this all ready, we press this button, or we press this button. We put it in the treatment area, press working, and now the handle is working. And if your customers feel too cold or feel too many pressure, you can press pause. The 40K cavitation handle. Firstly, we need to adjust the time for the belly. We usually about 20 minutes, and the intensity we start from 6, and then you can adjust according to your customer's tolerance. And these 3 models you can choose. When you adjust the time, intensity, and the model, you need to pull the handle, put gels on the treatment area, and you need to press the handle tightly to the treatment area, and then press this working handle. Remember, you cannot operate the handle without tighten to the skin. Remember to firstly tighten to the skin and then press this working. And circled lifting to do the treatment. When doing the treatment of the 40K cavitation, you will feel some tinnitus. That is normal. You don't need to be panicked. To use this RF handle, body RF. Firstly, we adjust the time. Also about 20 minutes. And the intensity will start from 6. And you can adjust the model. When you adjust time, intensity, and model, we put gels on the treatment area. And do remember to put the cartridge tighten to the body and then press this working. Lifting, you can use it in this way, lifting, tightening the skin, or you can circle it in this way. Now let's see how to use the facial RF. Firstly, we adjust time for face about 50 minutes. And the intensity will start from 4, and you can adjust the model. And when you adjust all of this, put some gels on the treatment area. Then put the handle tighten to the skin. Then we press this. It's working now. You need to put all your laser pads around the treatment area. If you want to use this little curl for double chin removal, you need to plug out one curl handle. You need to plug out one curl handle and put this handle on. Plug in this double chin removal handle on. And then you can do the treatment of the double chin curl removal of this handle. And when we adjust all of these 8 laser pads, we can choose the model. And then we put gels on the treatment area. We put the laser pads tighten to the treatment area, and then we belt the belt. And then we press this working. Now let's see how to use the laser pads. There are 8 laser pads, and we adjust the intensity. The time about 20. And the intensity. We start from 6, and you adjust this 8 one. Then we press this working cartridge. Then during the treatment, you can circle or lifting or circle